Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch to a monitor. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So I have my Nintendo Switch here, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my PC monitor on top. And this is very easy to do. Now, most modern monitors actually have an HDMI input on the back. So I have this HDMI cable that's hooked up to the back of the dock. As you can see, it's just on the HDMI out. So with this HDMI cable, we just have to plug it in the back of the monitor just like a TV. So go ahead and check on the back of your monitor to see if they have an input just like this. Now here's the back of my monitor. Now I can see the two HDMI slots right here. So I'm going to unplug this white cable right here at the bottom. And here's an open HDMI port. So let's go ahead and plug my Nintendo Switch in right here on the back of it. So it is now plugged in. It's very simple, just like a TV. Now let's go over to the front of my monitor. Now we have to switch over the input. So for me, there is a button right at the bottom of this LG lettering. So if I press this in and then go over to input, let's go over to this menu. And then we can go to, let's see, HDMI 2. Let's try that and see if that works. I'm going to go ahead and press the home button on my Nintendo Switch controller. It doesn't look like anything's coming up. So let's try HDMI number 1. Alright. So here we go. Let's see if anything pops up here now. Alright, so it ended up being HDMI number 2. And if you are using a monitor, you'll notice like your movements are super quick. There is a very low input lag time between like the movements on your joystick to what's displaying on the screen. So that's one of the biggest benefits of playing on a monitor is it's going to seem like it's super quick and responsive whenever you press like a button or you play like a game like Fortnite. So it's very easy to connect modern monitors with like your Nintendo Switch, your PlayStation, or your Xbox. They literally just have an HDMI input on the back of them. So go ahead and check it out and then switch over your input or your source and you should be good to go to start playing. This is so easy to do. So if this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.